Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I know it must be very boring for you to come in the class and learn all the letters, 3 letter, 4 letters, but today I've got something interesting for you. You know what's that? Okay, so welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feathercap, and today we will do some fun time riddles. Are you excited? Okay, I'm so excited. So let's get started. See the first one. What am I? I am round and you play with me. Tell me what's the name? Yes, it's a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay. Next is I am fruit and I'm long and yellow. Tell me which fruit I am? Banana. Very good. Now next is my mother is a cat. Cat's mother is a kitten. Okay. Kitten's mother is cat. And cat's baby is called kitten. Next is I am sweet. Bees make me. Bees make honey. 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 It's very sweet in taste. Next is you carry me to school. You put your books in me. We put books in the school bag. So that's a bag. B-A-G. Bag. Next is I have 4 wheels and you sit in me. So that's a car. C-A-R. Car. Next is I shine in the sky at night. Now what shines in the sky at night? Yes, that's moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Next is I live in water. Which animal lives in water? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Next is I live on the trees. I chatter. Now which animal lives on tree and chatters? That's monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now last is I am an animal. I give you wool. Now tell me which animal gives us wool? That's sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Okay. So that was fun time riddle. I hope you have enjoyed this with me. Now, I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.